Hello students! In our previous video, we learned one method of construction of dividing a line segment into a given ratio. In our today's video, let us learn an alternate method for the same. We require knowledge of this method because every time we may not get ratios as small as 3:2 or 3:5. In fact, sometimes we may be asked to divide line segment in ratio 8:5 or 7:6 and so on. In such cases, making equal segments on a single ray becomes tedious and difficult. So instead of drawing equal segments on one ray, which is by our first method, it is easy for us to draw equal segments on two rays, which is our today's method. In this method, we draw two parallel rays on either side of the line segment and divide both the rays into segments as per given ratio. So let's begin with our alternate method. Let us take a line segment AB of 8 cm and find a point Q such that it divides AB in ratio 4:5. Students, here we want to find location of Q on line segment AB such that AQ is to QB is equal to 4:5. For that, let us see the steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle with line segment AB, say 60 degree. Therefore, angle BAX is equal to 60. To draw 60 degree angle, draw an arc on AB with suitable radius which intersects AB at M. With the same radius, taking M as center, mark another arc which cuts previous arc at N. Draw ray AX passing through the point N. The angle so formed will be of 60 degrees. That is, angle BAX is 60, which is what we required. Step 2. Now draw another ray BY parallel to AX on the opposite side of the line segment AB. How will you draw such parallel rays? Yes, you are right. By making angles ABY and BAX equal, such that angle ABY is equal to angle BAX equal to angle 60. Students, do you know why did we draw equal angles? Observe that here both the angles are alternate angles for parallel lines AX and BY and their transversal AB. Therefore, if both the angles are drawn equal, then the lines AX and BY will become parallel. Thus, by making angles equal, we have constructed two parallel rays on the opposite sides of AB, which is our step 2. Now let's go to step 3. Draw equal segments on both the rays. Remember, the total segments on each ray is equal to greater number in the ratio. Since here given ratio is 4:5 and 5 being greater, we mark 5 equidistant points on arm AX and arm BY. Also remember, radius of all the marks should be same for both the rays. Thus, mark A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 on AX with the help of compass. And similarly, mark B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 on BY with the same radius, such that AA1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to B1 which is equal to B1, B2 equal to B2 B3 equal to B3 B4, which is equal to B4 B5. Students, please note that here we took total arcs on both the rays equal to the greater number of the ratio. But the total arcs can be made by one other method also. In this method, directly mark arcs equal to the numbers given to us in the ratio, say m:n, here which is 4:5, where total arcs on upper ray equals the first number m, say here it is 4, and total number of arcs on lower ray equals the second number in the ratio n, say here it is 5. Step 4. Join point A4 to B5 such that this line intersects AB at point P. Can you think why we chose A4 and B5? It is because our required ratio is 4:5. Therefore, points to be chosen are 4 and 5. Now you must be thinking on which ray we have to take 4 and on which ray we take 5. It is easy. If the ratio is say m:n, then just take first number m on upper ray and the other number n on lower ray. Just like here, our ratio is 4:5. So we choose fourth point A4 on upper ray and fifth point B5 on the lower ray. Observe that on ray AX, there are 4 equal segments and on ray BY, there are 5 equal segments. Therefore, ratio of segments AA4 to the segment BB5 is 4:5. Also, AP is to PB is equal to 4:5. Thus, P is the point dividing the line segment AB internally in our required ratio of 4:5. Now students, you may ask, how is this true? That is, how come P divides AB in a given ratio? Let us answer this question. Observe figure carefully. We find two triangles A4P and B5P. For both these triangles, angle A is equal to angle B, which is equal to 60 degrees by our construction. And also observe that they are alternate angles for parallel lines AX and BY with AB as a transversal. Also, angle APA4 is equal to angle BPB5 as they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we can say the triangle AA4P is similar to triangle BB5P by angle-angle similarity criteria. Therefore, we can say AA4 upon BB5 is equal to AC upon BC. But since by construction AA4 upon BB5 is equal to 4:5, therefore AP upon BP is equal to 4:5. Thus point P is the required point which divides the line segment AB in ratio 4:5. Now students, let us take one more example for the same. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in ratio 5:8 and measure the two parts. Here we are given a line segment whose length is 7.6 cm and we have to divide it in a ratio 5:8. So let us see the steps of construction. Draw line segment AB of 7.6 cm with ruler. Draw ray AX making an acute angle BAX with AB. Similarly, draw other parallel ray BY on the opposite side of AB. You already know how to draw parallel rays. Yes, by making angle ABY equal to angle BAX. Students, for drawing equal angles, make arc with suitable radius such that it cuts AB at M. Make second arc from M with the same radius. Name it as N. Measure MN. Follow exactly same steps at the end B of line segment AB. Now we get 2 points N and R. Now draw two rays from A and B, passing from N and R respectively as shown. Thus, AX and BY are required parallel rays. Now locate 5 equidistant points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 on AX with a compass, and keeping the radius same, mark 8 equidistant points B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8 on BY such that AA1 equal to A1A2 equal to A2A3 equal to A3A4 equal to segment A4A5, which is equal to BB1 equal to B1B2 equal to B2B3 equal to B3B4 equal to B4B5 and so on. Now students, can you answer why we took 5 points on AX and 8 points on ray BY? Yes, you are right. 5 and 8 are the numbers given in our ratio. And as we said, mark the points equal to first number on upper ray and points equal to second number on lower ray. Now join A5 and B8 such that it will intersect AB at point C. Therefore, AC is to CB is equal to 5 is to 8. The C is our required point which divides AB in a given ratio of 5 is to 8. Students, now use your ruler and measure AC and CB. We find that AC is equal to 2.9 and CB is equal to 4.7 centimeters. Thus, this is our required construction. Now, students, as we told you, this construction can be done by any method. But since we used second method, which is easy for this case, the steps of this construction as per our first method is also shown to you on your screen.